What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today, so stay tuned. I've noticed throughout my career that cutting the back part of the head was the hardest part for me. So I want to do more videos displaying the back side of the head. Usually the hair is more dense, you have the occipital bone and the calic area to work with. So you definitely want to spend more time on the back side. Due to the density, you do want to make your guidelines a little bit thicker than on the sides. Once we're done fading our initial guideline, we're going to move on to our one guard all the way open. Using our one guard all the way closed and midway will soften up that line and get it ready for the half guard. Once we're done with our half guard, we're going to move on to our two guard all the way open and prepare the silhouette. We're going to use the two guard to soften up that line and then use the 1.5 guard to remove the line. Before we move on to our clipper over comb method, we're going to saturate the hair just a tad bit so the hair could fall into the teeth of the comb a little bit better. When using the clipper over comb method, you want to make sure you comb the hair outward, showing the true length. Also, holding the clipper vertically will help you blend, and holding the clipper horizontally will help you debulk. Since I'm cutting the calic area, I'm taking it bit by bit, not rushing. Moving on to his C cup, I saw a little bit of a dark spot, so I lined it up with the 3 guard all the way open. Switching over to my Gold FX, I'm going to slowly etch in his C cup. that we're done lining up his C-cup, we're going to begin the design. I like to start off my designs with an exaggerated curve or an exaggerated line, depending on what they want. There are some parts you want to make as sharp as possible, other parts you want to make as thick as possible, and other parts you want to make as long as possible. Now that we're complete with the design, we're going to move on to our Turkish razor.